Making your image a better aesthetic fit into your graphic is no crime, but it may feel like when you try to use clunky and slow softwares for even the most basic tasks like rotating an image. But today I'll save you from all that hassle because I'll show you how you can instantly and easily rotate an image with Pixelied. Pixelied is a web-based design tool that has all the answers to your design needs. So to get to our editor, type in pixelied.com/upload and here we are. Now to upload your own image, you can either click on this button and select an image from your storage, or you can just drag and drop like this. Okay, so we have our image down to the Pixelides editor. Now to rotate this image, just click on this dot, hold it, and you can rotate it all the way around the canvas. So when you find the right angle, just release your mouse and it's done. Now you can resize it and move it around the canvas and it will stay the same. Now what else can we do using Pixelied? So sometimes not just rotating, you also need to flip an image. So to do that, just select it, click on this button which says flip, and you can use this to flip it horizontally, or you can use this button to flip it vertically. Okay, so flipping it vertically doesn't make sense for this photo, so I'm going to use this button again and it's done. Now all that is left for us to do is to download this image. So just click on this button, select a format. I'm going to stick with the JPG and click on download again, and our image has downloaded. Alright, so we saw how easily we uploaded our image to the Pixelides editor and then we rotated it and even flipped it. And that's what you need. You need to be able to do all the things that are necessary to make your image a better aesthetic fit into your graphic. So go ahead to pixelied.com/upload, upload your images and make some aesthetic changes to them. Also, stick to this channel because Pixelied has got a lot for you in store.